Hey, what's going on, you guys? I hope you're all having a killer day. I wanted to post this short video as a reminder about the Miss Health and Fitness 2018 competition going down right now that I am entered in, and I need your help and your votes to win. I have the opportunity to win a 2-page spread in the magazine as well as $20,000, $5,000 of which I want to donate to an orphanage, and I need your help to make that happen. So you can be a part of something even bigger than just the competition itself. And yes, I can't even tell you how much I would appreciate your help and your votes, your love and your support. If you wish to help me out, you can go to the link in my bio. I will put a full description in the comment below on how to vote. You can vote daily, so I really encourage those repeat votes, and I can't tell you how much I will appreciate them. Thank you so much. Hope you all have an amazing